Number 5 asks us to construct a trapezoid with TR and AP as the two parallel sides, and with AP the distance between the two parallel sides. So before we do that, I did copy the lengths of TR and AP on my paper, so I didn't have to go back and forth between the book. But let's review. Think about a trapezoid. So a trapezoid, remember, has two sets of parallel, or I'm sorry, exactly one set of parallel lines. So they want one of them to be TR, which is going to be a little bit longer. The other one's going to be AP. But they also said they want this distance right here, this, to be the length of AP. Okay, so what we're going to end up doing is creating one of our parallel lines. We're going to create a perpendicular, make this length here be AP. That'll set this point. Then I can create a parallel line here and copy the length of AP. Okay, so there's lots of different parts here. So let's give this a try. So I'm going to start with TR. Okay, so I'm going to start with TR. So this can be T, we'll copy TR. Alright, here's, oops, too big. There's TR, so there's TR. Okay, so now I need to create a perpendicular here. It doesn't really matter where. I'm going to do the perpendicular bisector construction because you know it's my favorite and it's fast. Just so I can have a perpendicular to measure the length of AP. Okay, so now I'm going to draw in this perpendicular. Okay, now I should have gone all the way down, but I didn't. They want this next line to be AP apart from TR. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the length of AP. AP. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mark. This is where AP would be. So this point right here is going to be the vertex of the angle that I'm going to copy. Okay, now a couple of different ways to do this. I can just copy this as just a normal angle. I can create a perpendicular through this point. It's really up to you. I don't know that. I think maybe the perpendicular through that point might be a little easier. So I'm going to turn this so you can see a little better. I'm going to do a perpendicular since we know it's a right angle. I'm going to swing an arc on both sides, open my compass a little further, put my point on point of intersection, swing an arc, do the same thing again, swing an arc. Okay, so now I have created two parallel lines. This is a 90-degree angle, remember? I just made this a 90-degree angle, so I now created two parallel lines. Now they want this top length to be AP long. So let me go back and set my compass to AP. Okay, now your book said there's multiple answers. And it's true, there are multiple answers. So here's how that can be. If I make this A and this P, well, I guess this would be R and A if we're going to name it trap, just because TRAP. I can connect these, but there were no rules as far as where RA had to lie, right? So I could have scooted it to the right or to the left. It doesn't really matter. That's why they're saying there's more than one answer. But I do have my parallel lines here, and I know this distance here is the length of AP. Well, I guess that should have been P, and I made it an R. That's how you do number 5. That one's probably more complicated than a lot that we've done so far.